Behind the vibrant streets of Honolulu's Chinatown lies a sophisticated and dangerous shadow economy. Welcome to a feature from the International Journal of Forensic Science and Research. This article, authored by Dr. Gordon James Knowles, investigates the troubling convergence of organized crime and psychological warfare. Since the early 1800s, Honolulu's historic Chinatown has been plagued by illegal drugs, gambling, and prostitution. However, new psychologically addictive arcade-style tabletop video gambling devices have become the dominant instrument for generating illegal revenue. This study documents the motivation to gamble using these machines and examines the role of illegal game rooms. Our research shows how these environments are specifically designed to facilitate pathological gambling addiction. The criminal justice system in Hawaii is rife with corruption, misconduct, and incompetence, enabling crime syndicates to flourish. Using police science and sociological intelligence, we show that China is waging insurgent warfare on the streets of Honolulu. This state-sponsored communist terrorism entails contactless, irregular warfare targeting the Hawaiian populace. This deployment of mentally compulsive gambling machines is a calculated move to destabilize the local community through addiction. Furthermore, the distribution of the addictive drug fentanyl is analyzed as a lethal chemical weapon in this contactless, irregular warfare. Psychological warfare is further conducted through the circulation of pro-China, anti-American newspapers, targeting the mindset of the Hawaiian populace. Dr. Knowles' study provides a critical lens into these complex security threats. We invite you to read the complete manuscript online and stay informed.